Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing.
This video is sponsored by my book, Diary of a Fisherman, Volume 2. Links will be in the description below of all the online bookstores of where you can purchase my book.
Oh, this water's really stained today. Not expecting that. Maybe it'll clear up. Oh, there we go, starting to clear up. I guess in the wind blowing against the bank, it was all muddy, but it's starting to clear up a little bit. This wind right here is perfect spinnerbait and chatterbait conditions, man. And I brought a bunch of chatterbaits with. We might just have to throw some. Well, right in front of me is Justin Boyer, and to the right, all the way over there, if you can see him, is his son Michael Boyer. Well, now it's clearing up. Ah, much better. Now we're talking. Well, Justin, how's it on? So you gonna land it? Oh, it popped off. Oh man. Yeah, in front of me is Justin, to the right is Michael. Ooh, it's windy out here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, come on, grab him. Come on, man. Get that fish landed. There you go. Nice. Real nice. Hold on, wait, hold him up, Justin. Hold him sideways. There you go, nice, good deal. That's gotta land it, man, and I'll be a happy camper. Feels like a decent one too, man. No, no sooner hit the water, he hit it. Dude, you weren't kidding. Come on, baby, just gotta land them. I have to walk to him. I think he's wrapped around that lily pad. Come on, don't you come off. There we go, he's still on. Woo! Come on, baby. This one's got some fight to it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, almost had it. Landed. Yes, I'm a happy camper. Finally, I didn't get skunked. First largemouth of the year. Boy, it was hooked good too, thank God. Woo! I'm just gonna measure just out of curiosity, since this is my first bass. To show you the lure I'm using. He's 14, I'll take them. I'll take 14 inches all day long, man. As long as I'm catching fish, I'm happy. Thanks for the fight, bass. That was fun while it lasted. Look, that's what I'm using. Yeah. It's a lunker hunt. Okay, yeah, I hope the camera got that splash on video. Well, it's not big, but he's giving me a heck of a fight. Come on, baby. Man, they fight good for. Ay, ay. Yeah, on a lunker hunt. Take that, Michael. That's 3 times bigger than your bass. I'll tell you in a second. 33 inches, 14.5 pounds. No, it's 13 inches. Hey, I'll take it. Second one of the day, second one of the year. Catch and release, thanks for fight bass. That was fun. Go make babies. Man, I'll tell you what. Wasn't no trophy, but that was a lot of fun catching that fish. That fish fought hard.